Step 1 is to apply the sticker onto the container where you are going to place your items in. Then scan the sticker to activate it. Enter in your phone number or email address to log in and activate your IQR sticker. Change the action from alert to box content. Then fill in the label for the box, the location of the box, and a short description of the box content. Click on the menu and then choose Locations to add a new location for your box content. Tap on the pencil edit icon. Here, you can change the location to the newly added location which you just add. Tap on the box icon and then the plus icon to start adding items into the box content. Fill in the label of the item and then the quantity of the item. Then tap on the Choose File button to take a picture of the item. Then choose Use Photo and hit the Upload button. Repeat to keep adding more items into the box content. Tap Items from the menu to search for your items. Scan the IQR on the shelves or on your box to see the content inside. You can also use these IQR labels to organize your home or when you are moving. So you can put these IQR labels on your moving boxes and know where your items are. Remember that all items you have added are all searchable. All you need to do is go to the IQR website and search for your items.